In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a view in Airtable, step by step, so you can clean up your workspace and keep your bases organized. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account, so go ahead and click the Login button if you aren't already signed in. Once you're in, open the specific base that contains the view you want to delete. This is the base where all your tables and records live, so take a moment to locate it from your dashboard or recent bases list. Next, select the table that holds the view you're looking to remove. Remember, each base can have multiple tables, and each table can have several views, so make sure you're on the right table before moving forward. Once you are on the correct table, look over to the left sidebar. This is where all your views are listed, like grid, calendar, or any custom views you've created. Find the view you want to delete. Just scan the list and click on it to confirm that's the one. Now, hover over that view name in the sidebar and you'll see a small icon appear. Click the More Options menu, which looks like 3 dots right next to the view name. A drop-down menu will appear with several actions. From that menu, select Delete View. A confirmation dialog will pop up, warning you that this action can't be undone. Take a quick moment to review the message. It's your last chance to double-check. If you're sure, go ahead and click Delete to confirm. Just like that, the view will vanish from your views list. One important thing to keep in mind: deleting a view does not delete the underlying records. All your data stays safe and sound in the table. So if you're worried about losing information, don't be. However, make sure the view is no longer needed before removing it, because you won't be able to get that specific view back. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a view in Airtable. That should help you keep your workspace tidy and focused on what matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.